So today we've got to get some exhaust bolts off because we are trying to get this new gasket on the exhaust of the 98 GMC because it keeps throwing a light and it's saying an exhaust light. When we got underneath there was a lot of smoke leaking where this gasket should go. So today we got to figure out how to get these bolts off.
There you go. Yeah.
I'm glad to see the fire extinguisher out here.
I'm smart. Fire bad.
No, fire good.
Uncontrollable
fire bad.
Hey. Oh, you're such a...
Yeah, stuck Guten tight. Cruise control.
You're going the right way. You almost need an extension that's longer that'll get your wrench on the other side of that frame.
Yeah. Cruise control. One of my favorite features of this torch. These torches are so amazing.
Yeah.
They just make any other kind of...
What we need to do is we need to get the other set of bottles because they've got like acetylene and then they've got an oxygen or MAP gas.
MAP gas, I think that's the hotter one.
You can get a lot more BTUs.
Yeah.
This is just a green gas can, you know.
Good old Coleman lantern, pretty much just for light.
Yeah, not a whole lot of BTUs there.
Relatively.
I mean, it's enough to light your cigarette, but for what we're doing, it might not be enough. I don't know if I'm rounding it off.
Yeah, you are. Stop where you are.
Yeah, that sucks.
Well, thankfully you didn't do a good job.
I felt like I was on it good, but it did. It felt
It,
like
it started coming off. I was watching
it. Felt like it just gave way and just like the corners just slopped right off.
Yeah.
Are you positive that that's the right size?
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
You want to put a feel on there? And just feel, oh, sorry. Don't want to smash.
Danger. Instead of hot pocket, it's hot socket.
Hot socket.
Uh-oh. Oh dear, you may have rounded it. It goes on, it may need to be forced on.
It's slid on and slid off. But it's cooling down.
Ooh. Danger. Danger. That's no está bueno.
Sorry I made it worse. But it is my true calling.
Well, what I kind of want to do now is I want to maybe throw a little bit more heat to it. I want to get some sort of tappy tap device out here.
Like some big heat. You want to get some serious heat out here?
Ooh, that's tempting.
Because I'm down with the clown.
Heat the ever-living hell out of it.
I don't think we're getting it hot enough.
Yeah. Just heat it like crazy.
I wonder if we can heat it more head on versus like to the side, so we're not throwing like, I guess that's a metal bed, so that's good.
Yeah, and the flames are stopping. The only thing that's on the paint is a little bit of the soot. That's it.
I wonder if we can put the socket on the end of the extension and then pound, once it's red hot,
Yeah.
pound on the back of the extension with the rubber mallet.
Put a ratchet on it, try it with a ratchet. If the ratchet doesn't work, put the impact on it and impact it until it either breaks off.
Don't pound the socket on, pound the extension with the socket already on it on. So it's one less connection you're trying to bumble while
it's hot.
It's hotter than Hades.
That's what I was saying.
And then, like you said, get a ratchet, hand ratchet on the end of it, and if that doesn't work, then here with some air.
Okay, well, I guess we have to get a torch set and an air hose and an impact.
All right, let's do it.
For you. Yeah, that's Satan's torch.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's like my cutting torch, but like 4 or 6 times bigger.
Which one do I want to turn?
I'll turn the knobs. You're just a striker boy.
I'm just a striker boy.
It's one other thing I don't want to be dealing with. Okay. So we're not doing it yet. I'm gonna do a few practice pull-ins. Try and fire as little as possible. Okay, well, nothing to it but to do it. Perfect. I didn't know you were right there. Thought you were on the other side of the truck. Okay. Yeah, that thing got glowing red hot. 15 seconds. Where's the mallet? Thank you. Oh, come on. Oh!
Don't let that bolt fall on you.
That's why I moved over. That would hurt so bad. It's a coming. Wow. Oh dear. When this falls out of the socket, it might. Oh, I'm holding it.
Don't lick it.
It'll light your ass on fire. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I put that flame on there. I was seeing red in the lenses after about 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, let's see what happens. Did that really just work? Holy. Oh, well, it broke the stud off, but that's okay.
Your whole exhaust is falling off, like you just opened up the gap.
I did.
Right here. That's exactly what we wanted.
That works splendidly. Nice thing is this isn't hot.
You need...
Science lesson. We didn't heat this bolt. We chose to get it off with the impact instead because access was not too good and I didn't want to burn a hole in my carpet. So we used the impact, and you can see, judging by that shiny spot and all the rest of it's rusty, this fastener was already cracked. So even if we had tried heating this up, it would have split. Science. Oh, this is just going to work all too well. I'll have just enough room that I can get in here and clean out the old gasquete and... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, thankfully I don't have to get that stud out.
How long is that wire there? Because how long is this wire? Because you can almost pull that back just a little bit and let it rest on the cross member.
Yeah. Well, there's a exhaust hanger right here, so I would undo that one exhaust hanger and just let it sit on these two cross members. Yeah. Ugh. I think it's nice as I have Grandpa's die grindery wheels for my die grinder, so I can just clean this up all nice. And
I wonder if you can just heat that up a little bit and pound that bolt back out.
I don't want to.
Are you going to try to use that?
I'm going to try and reuse that one because look at the terrible spot that it's in.
Yeah.
This is the one stud that I really, really did not want to break.
That's good. I wonder.
I was okay with the other two. But that was the one.
I wonder if we have a die set to just like chase that and make sure that
we do. I bought it years ago. I don't know if I have the right one.
Well,
but nonetheless,
you do have a bolt outside of the truck already that you might be able to figure out the size.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a super cheesy set, but I've got one. Huh.
Is that sensor welded in there or is it just schmoed in there?
Rust welded, yes. I don't want to try to remove that sensor.
No, absolutely not. That's why you're doing what you're doing.
Because not only, I think that sensor is like between $20 and $40.
Yeah.
But also it's like rusted. Well, cool. Now time to fire out the truck and see what it sounds like with no muffler.
Oh, Jesus. Hello, neighbors. Return the favor.
Welcome, folks. This is the part where we're strictly digging around. Okay. Okay.
So overall, guys, we were successful on getting those bolts out. Just had to apply a little bit of heat. But the one thing I wish we would have done is I wish we would have had a piece of metal, just a piece of scrap metal in between where we were working and the bottom of the cab area there. We didn't cause any harm or damage, but definitely having a piece of, just a small piece of sheet metal there would have definitely helped, you know, protect the bottom of the cab there. Again, no harm done, just a little visual as you saw in the video. But we got the bolts out, so we're going to move on from there and get that gasket in. So that's the trick that you can use to get those nasty rusty bolts out. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe below if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.